So as you know, camping is all about comfort, protection, and making sure your gear can handle anything that the outdoors throws at you. Whether you're setting up for a weekend getaway or a longer adventure, the right accessories can transform your gazebo setup. Today we're looking at some of these essential accessories for your Dune 4-wheel drive deluxe 3x3 meter gazebo. This is everything you need to make your outdoor space more comfortable, practical, and protected. Let's get into it. First up, we have the Dune 4-wheel drive deluxe gazebo solid wall. This wall is really great for creating a bit of privacy between campers, but also blocking out the wind. And it's really great for adding that extra bit of shade when the sun's really beating down. It's really easy to attach. It simply velcros onto the top of your canopy of your gazebo. Because it's built tough with really great materials, you're getting solid protection from the elements. Whether you're out camping or hosting an event, this wall gives you a cozy private space within just minutes. If you really want to take your gazebo to the next level, check out the Dune 4-wheel drive deluxe 3-meter Gazebo Hut. It's basically an extension that turns your whole gazebo into a fully functioning room. You can use the hut as extra storage, a place to prep food, or even just an extra space to get away from those bugs. It's made from really durable materials and it's got a great floor to keep your stuff off the ground and away from the weather. Whether you need an extra living space or another spot to keep your gear, the 3-meter Gazebo Hut is the perfect add-on. So next up we have the Dune 4-wheel drive gazebo weights. They're small, but they're mighty, adding great stability to your gazebo setup. When you're dealing with wind, even a little gust can make your gazebo unsteady, especially on those hard surfaces where you can't peg it down. These weights simply latch onto the legs of your gazebo, giving it the support it needs to stay grounded. They're lightweight, they're portable, and they make a massive difference when the wind picks up. Now, if you've ever dealt with heavy rain pooling on the top of your gazebo, you'd know how frustrating and dangerous it can be. That's where the Dune 4-wheel drive anti-ponding bar kit comes in. Simple little add-on creates a better slope on the top of your gazebo, stopping that water from pooling and creates more of a stable structure. Without the kit, water can build up quickly on the top of your gazebo and stretch the canopy. Once you install these little guys, the water runs straight off, keeping it safe and dry. These are a must-have for anyone that camps in unpredictable weather. The best thing about all these accessories is that they're designed to work together with the Dune 4-wheel drive deluxe 3x3 meter gazebo, making your camp setup adaptable and ready for anything. From privacy and protection with the solid wall, water runoff with the anti-ponding bar kit, stability with the gazebo weights, and that extra living room with the Gazebo Hut, all these accessories let you create a versatile outdoor space. With just a few simple additions, you can take your gazebo game to a whole new level this summer. These accessories aren't just about convenience, but making your outdoor experience more smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. So whether you're camping, hosting an event, or just a day out in the bush, make sure your gazebo is ready for anything.